This is the new Lefant M5 Pro robot vacuum, and honestly this thing surprised me more than I expected, because nowadays almost every robot vacuum says smart AI, powerful suction, obstacle avoidance, but the real question is, can it actually clean properly in real world situations? Well, this one comes packed with some serious high-end features like 18,000 PS suction power, 120 days self-emptying, smart optical avoidance, automatic mop washing, drying and water refilling, plus an all-in-one cleaning station with support for both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi. So today I'm going to fully test the Lefant M5 Pro with different floor conditions, carpets, kitchen mess, human hair, obstacle avoidance, suction test, and the roller mop lifting system to see if this thing is actually smart or just another robot vacuum with fancy marketing. And please check out the Lefant M5 Pro's discounted link in the description. So let's get started. This is the box the vacuum comes in. So inside the box you get the Lefant M5 Pro itself, the intelligent self-cleaning base, power cable, extra roller mop, total 2 side brushes, cleaning accessories, waste bag, and user manuals. The setup process was honestly very simple. Just place it on the dock, connect it with the app, and within a few minutes it starts mapping your home automatically. Now first of all, the Lefant M5 Pro actually looks very modern and premium. On the top you get the 360-degree LiDAR navigation system, which scans and maps your home very accurately. It creates a detailed 3D map, supports multi-floor mapping for up to 3 floors, and even works properly in low light environments. So even at night, the navigation still feels very precise. The body is only around 10 centimeters slim, so it can easily glide under sofas, beds, and most furniture where dust normally collects. And despite the slim design, it can still cross small obstacles up to 16 millimeters without getting stuck easily. So before starting the actual cleaning test, I first tested the mapping system. I selected the deep mapping option inside the app. And the Lefant M5 Pro took around 32 minutes to fully map my 75 square meter apartment. The 360-degree LiDAR system scanned rooms properly, recognized walls and furniture placement accurately, and created a very detailed map inside the app. Another thing I noticed is that even in dim lighting conditions, the navigation still worked smoothly without confusion. Before I even started the test, I was eating my evening snacks right on the clean carpet, and I honestly didn't care about the food particles dropping on the carpet and the floor, because I knew what was coming next. So I spread fine snacks and dirt debris across both the floor and the carpet to see how well the Lefant M5 Pro could handle them together. The kind of everyday dirt that normally builds up around the house, and the robot handled it without much problem. This is where the powerful 18,000 PA suction really becomes noticeable. The suction stays very consistent, while the side brush pushes dust and debris directly into the vacuum path instead of scattering it around. When the Lefant M5 Pro moved from the floor onto the carpet, it automatically lifted the roller brush, so it wouldn't wet or damage the carpet surface. But that didn't stop the cleaning. It kept suctioning all the food and dirt debris off the carpet just as effectively. And on the hard floor, the V-shaped turbo roller brush and optimized airflow system pulled every larger particle properly into the dustbin. I didn't notice many leftovers after cleaning. Even when the particles were spread unevenly, the cleaning path still looked very thorough. Now for the next test, I intentionally left a realistic mess on the floor. Tomato ketchup, to see how well the Lefant M5 Pro could handle a proper kitchen style cleanup. And the result honestly surprised me. It almost completely cleared the floor, like the mess was never there to begin with. What made the difference here is the roller mop system. Unlike a traditional flat dragging mop, the roller actively scrubs the floor surface, which helps lift sticky and stubborn stains much more effectively. But the feature I liked most is the self-cleaning mop. Unlike traditional robot vacuums, the roller mop automatically cleans itself while it's mopping. So it's not just pushing dirty water around the floor, it genuinely stays clean during the entire mopping process. So overall, for daily kitchen cleaning, this vacuum honestly feels very reliable, whether it's dry crumbs, sticky spills, or a combination of both. Now for the next test, I used small paper pieces scattered on the carpet. This is actually a good way to test airflow and pick up consistency, because lightweight pieces can easily get pushed around instead of being properly sucked in. I set the vacuum to run one pass and it picked up almost every single piece. Only a few were left behind. The side brush did a good job guiding the paper pieces toward the suction area, and most of them were collected very smoothly. One thing worth mentioning, when I opened the dust container after this test, it was almost full. So if you're planning multiple cleaning rounds back to back, it's worth checking the dustbin in between. You can set it for up to 2 passes per session, but even one pass collected a surprising amount. Let's talk about one of the biggest challenges for any robot vacuum: human hair. Whether it's from pets or just everyday human hair on the floor, this is where a lot of robot vacuums struggle. So I tested it with long human hair on the floor, and by this point the vacuum had already picked up my cat's fur from earlier passes. So the floor was already cleaner going into this test. And this is where the zero-tangle brush design really becomes useful. Instead of wrapping heavily around the roller brush like most vacuums do, the hair was handled much more cleanly than I expected. The vacuum collected the hair properly while keeping the brush relatively free from any major tangles. For anyone with pets or long hair at home, this is genuinely one of the more reassuring results from the whole review. Now this is honestly one of the most interesting features of this vacuum. Instead of using a normal flat mop, this robot comes with a large 20cm roller mop system. And this roller actually spins at around 280 revolutions per minute while applying 18 times downward pressure on the floor, which helps scrub dirt much more effectively compared to traditional robot mops. It also uses 16 water outlets to keep the roller evenly wet during cleaning, while continuously rinsing the roller with fresh water in real time. So the floor cleaning experience feels much more active instead of just dragging a wet cloth around. But the really smart part starts when the robot detects carpet. The moment it reaches carpet, the vacuum automatically lifts the roller mop by 8 mm and instantly boosts the suction power. So your carpet stays dry while still getting deeper vacuum cleaning at the same time. And honestly, during testing, the carpet detection felt very fast and seamless. The transition between hard floor and carpet happens smoothly without confusion or getting stuck. Now, another feature that genuinely impressed me was the Smart Obstacle Avoidance 2.0 system. The robot uses PSD 2.0 obstacle detection technology combined with a 190-degree wide-angle sensing system, which means it can recognize low obstacles much more accurately and avoid blind spots while cleaning. To test this, I placed a variety of random objects across the floor, and the Lefant M5 Pro handled it surprisingly well. It slowed down intelligently, scanned the area, and changed direction naturally, without aggressively bumping into anything. That said, there is one thing worth knowing before you start a cleaning session: keep cables off the floor. When I tested it with a loose cable, it got caught inside the brush, so it's a good habit to tidy up any wires beforehand. Overall, the navigation feels much smarter and more reliable compared to basic bump and go robot vacuums, and it handles everyday obstacles in a very natural way during daily use. The self-cleaning station basically handles most of the dirty work automatically. First, it automatically empties the dustbin into a large 3.2-liter dust bag, which can last up to around 120 days depending on usage. So you don't need to empty the vacuum manually every few days. And while mopping, the station also cleans the roller mop using 75-degree hot water. After cleaning, it dries the roller using cold air drying to reduce smell and bacteria buildup. You can even adjust some of these settings directly from the app. And another very useful feature is automatic water refill and wastewater collection, so the robot can manage mopping much more independently. Battery life is also very solid here. The Lefant M5 Pro can run for up to around 180 minutes on a full charge, which is enough to clean large homes covering nearly 1,900 square feet. And inside the app, you can customize almost everything. You can schedule cleaning, create no-go zones, set no-mop areas, adjust suction power, change water levels, and monitor cleaning logs in real time. The robot also supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, which helps maintain a more stable connection around the house. And for smart home users, it supports Alexa, Google Home, and even Apple Watch controls. So after putting the Lefant M5 Pro through real-world tests, I can honestly say this is one of the smarter and more practical robot vacuums out there. No robot vacuum is perfect, but this one is a well-balanced package with features that are actually useful in daily life. So if you're looking for something that handles hard floors, carpets, pet hair, and kitchen mess without needing constant attention, this one is definitely worth considering. And right now there's a discount running on it. So check the link in the description to grab a better deal while it lasts. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.